Ever wondered why some individuals don't get to achieve the best of their health or fitness goals? It's simply because they haven't gotten to understand the science behind what they eat. We frequently narrow our focus to a single fitness objective. Either you're gaining muscle or you're losing weight. However, with the body's modifying mechanisms, both can be done at the same time. This approach differs from merely wanting to lose weight, which is what makes it difficult. Concurrently, increasing muscle mass and decreasing body fat seem incompatible. This is so because building muscle requires consuming more calories than burning them, whereas weight loss is facilitated by a caloric deficit. You can achieve both, but it will need you to fine-tune your training and diet. Regular activities can also help burn calories and promote metabolism. So before we delve into the science of energy balance and utilization, the effectiveness of various diet on our health, lean muscle mass, and fat loss, I'd like to welcome you to the Fitness Focus channel, the best place for insightful fitness videos. Kindly hit the like button and turn on that notification bell on your screen. Let's proceed. Obesity and overweight are rising globally in both developing and developed nations. The basic thermodynamic principle that energy can only be gained, lost, or stored by an organism lays the foundation for the idea of energy balance. The state attained when energy intake and energy expenditure are equal is known as energy balance. Changes in body mass are the result of disturbances in energy balance, though the exact duration of these changes varies amongst people and could account for the wide variation in responses to weight loss programs. It is your body's amazing machinery that works around the clock to convert the calories you eat into energy your body can use to keep you going. What happens when your body takes in a healthy diet? The foods and drinks we consume provide the body with energy. Foods are rich sources of chemical energy that are stored for use by the body during digestion and absorption. The three primary components of energy are fats, proteins, and carbs, with carbs being the most significant energy source. When the body runs out of carbs, it can use fats and proteins as an energy source. The chemical processes that occur in your body's cells to convert this food into energy are called metabolism. Basal metabolism is the process by which the body uses the majority of its energy when it is at rest. This is the bare minimum of energy needed by the body to sustain essential processes like breathing, heart rate, and organ function. The basal metabolic rate, BMR, is the rate at which energy is used for these kinds of processes, and it varies according to age, height, weight, sex, and genetics. Due to a decline in muscle mass with age, a person's BMR decreases. For our energy metabolism to function at its best and not leave us feeling exhausted and lethargic, we must consume an adequate amount of nutrients from our diet. All foods provide you with energy, but some in particular, like bananas, a great source of potassium, B vitamins, and carbohydrates. Fatty fish, like salmon or tuna. Brown rice, a source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And eggs, a source of protein, can help you feel more energized. Several foods offer a lot of energy, especially those high in carbs for instant energy, fiber or protein for a gradual release of energy, and vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Cellular respiration is the process through which food is metabolized at the cellular level to produce ATP, adenosine triphosphate. The cell uses this substance, known as ATP, as energy for a variety of biological functions, such as cell division and muscle contraction. Aerobic respiration is the name for this oxygen-dependent process. The process of fat loss. Triglycerides, which are excess energy stored in fat cells, are typically calories from fats. Your body stores energy in this way for when you need it later. This excess energy eventually turns into a surplus fat, which can alter your health and physical appearance. You must consume fewer calories than you burn to encourage weight loss. We call this calorie deficit. Despite individual differences, a daily 500 calorie deficit is a reasonable starting point for visible fat loss. It is possible to release fat from fat cells and move it to the mitochondria, the parts of your body that produce energy, by consistently keeping a calorie deficit. To create energy, a sequence of processes is applied to break down the fat. Body fat will decrease as long as there is a calorie deficit, because your body will keep using the fat reserves as energy. Your body changes shape when it stores more calories because the fat cells in it grow larger. The production of new fat cells occurs when the body needs more storage. So when your body burns more calories than it takes in, you're fat. Cells shrink, and your body changes in shape because your body releases stored triglycerides for energy. The body releases waste products as you burn through your stored energy, fat reserves, in the form of carbon dioxide and water, which explains why you sweat more and breathe more forcefully when you exercise. Exercise and diet are the two key factors that encourage fat loss. Fats are liberated from fat cells and converted to energy when there is a significant calorie deficit. Exercise speeds up this process by increasing blood flow to the muscles and fat cells, causing the muscles to release fat stores faster and raising the amount of energy used. A minimum of 150-250 minutes of moderately intense exercise per week, or 30-50 minutes of exercise 5 days a week, is advised by the American College of Sports Medicine to aid in weight loss. Coming down to the science of lean muscle. The word lean muscle is more like an oxymoron because all muscles are lean, by the way. Given its correlation with functional strength and quality of life, muscle mass is critical to preserving general health and well-being. As you get older, more muscle mass also helps you stay in a healthy body composition, lower your chance of developing chronic illnesses, maintain your balance and mobility, and become more independent in your daily activities. Additionally, research indicates that muscle mass may improve metabolic rate, increase bone density, help maintain general mental health, and support cognitive function. It may also help prevent injury. Protein's diverse functions in fostering maximum performance and recuperation, including muscle tissue growth and repair, make it essential for endurance athletes. Prioritizing getting enough protein in your diet, doing resistance training regularly, and getting enough rest and recuperation time are all crucial for building muscle. You can maximize the development of lean muscle mass and reduce the accumulation of body fat by finding the ideal balance between these factors. Consuming protein supplies. The essential amino acids needed for the synthesis of muscle protein, which is essential for the development of lean muscle. Age, sex, weight, and activity level are some of the variables that affect how much protein is required to grow muscle. Furthermore, research indicates that ingesting 20-25 grams of high protein right after working out and regularly throughout the day enhances muscle protein synthesis and recuperation. Since protein is a macronutrient that is required for both muscle synthesis and repair, eating enough of it is imperative for building muscle. Moreover, studies keep demonstrating that it can improve recovery from a run and boost strength, muscle hypertrophy, and lean body mass. Although protein can be obtained through diet, protein supplements, such as whey and plant-based protein powders, can also be useful in promoting muscle growth. It's interesting to note that studies suggest whey protein may increase the size and strength of muscles in resistance-trained people. It takes more than just getting ripped to build lean muscle. It's important to look after your general fitness and health. Therefore, you're investing in a healthier and happier life when you build lean muscle in addition to improving your physical appearance. Who said being fit couldn't lead to happiness? Additionally, increased bone health has been associated with higher muscle mass. The stress that weight-bearing exercises place on your bones encourages the growth of new bone cells, which increases bone density and lowers the risk of osteoporosis. That means that gaining lean muscle strengthens your skeleton from within, as well as the outside. However, there are more advantages. The ability of your body to control blood sugar levels is also improved by gaining lean muscle. The risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes is decreased when you have more muscle mass because your body uses glucose more efficiently. Furthermore, a healthy hormonal balance is essential for the optimal operation of your body's various systems, and this is where lean muscle comes in. Maintaining a specific calorie burn and losing weight can be aided by tracking steps and calories. Exercise can effectively regulate appetite and increase sensitivity to satiety signals, despite its limited energy expenditure model. It is also an effective instrument for enhancing health biomarkers. This intricate ecosystem, known as the gut-brain axis, links the gut microbiome to the brain and influences satiety through hormones. To find the diet that works best for you, you may want to switch between them. However, to reduce discomfort, it's important to make the transition gradually. In the long run, rapid weight loss is unsustainable and can result in the loss of lean muscle mass. It's preferable to lose weight gradually and make the switch to a more sustainable lifestyle. Weight loss, metabolism, and general health are significantly impacted by gut health, which is influenced by things like calorie intake, exercise, and fiber consumption. Ultimately, with the assistance of qualified health professionals, such as personal trainers and registered dietitians, you can create a fitness program, make healthy food choices, and better understand your relationship with food. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was of great value to you. Do well to leave us your questions or thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.